Wonderwall by Oasis is played in standard tuning with a capo on the 2nd fret. We're going to start this song with an E minor 7 chord. So first finger, 2nd fret of the A string, second finger, 2nd fret of the D string, third finger, 3rd fret of the B string, and the pinky finger on the high E string at the 3rd fret. I'm going to play all of the strings for this chord, and then we're going to swap to a G major chord. All we need to do is take that 2nd finger off and put it down again on the E string at the 3rd fret. Every other finger stays exactly the same, and we can play all of the strings for this chord too. So the E minor 7, going to a G. We're then going to go to a D sus4 chord. So we're going to take finger 1 and finger 2 off and put finger 1 down on the 2nd fret of the G string. And for this chord, we just want to play from the D string down. And for the final chord, we're going to lift our first finger up and put it on the 2nd fret of the D string and play from the A string down. This is an A sus4 chord. Sometimes you might see Noel playing it with the 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. This is the same chord, just a different voicing of the A sus4 chord, so either version is fine. And for the main rhythm in the song, on the E minor 7 chord, we're going to strum down, 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 down. Okay, so down, 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 down. Then on the up strum, we're going to swap to that G chord. Up, down, down, down. Up, down, down, down. Okay, so E minor 7, down, 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 up, down, down, down. And that change on that up strum. Slowly again. E minor 7, down, 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 down. To the G on the up, down, down. And on the D sus4 chord, we'll strum down, 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 down. Then on the next up strum, we take our first finger upper fret, so we're playing the A sus4 chord. Up, 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 down, down. So the D sus4 going to the A sus4 is D sus4, down, 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 and then on the up, 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 down, down. Slowly. And even slower. And the whole thing for the first 4 chords sounds like this. Up to speed. The verse starts off with that pattern on repeat, and then we're going to add this section to the end of the verse, which will take us into the bridge. So we start off with the E minor 7 chord, to the G, D sus4, A sus4, and then we're going to add a C add 9 on the end. So we'll go from that A7 sus4 and we'll add the 2nd finger to the 3rd fret of the A string. Down, 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 down. Then on the up strum, back to the D sus4. Up, up, down, down, down. So C add 9, down, 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 up, up, down, down. And then we'll go to the A sus4 chord and we'll play down, 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 up, down, down. So A sus4, down, 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 up, down, down. Okay, so from the C add 9, down, 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 up, down, down, down. A sus4. Then we'll go back through the kind of main section again, E minor 7, G, D sus4, A7, on repeat, chorus is the E minor 7, going to the G, the D sus4 to the A7 sus4. We'll play that on repeat. And again. Then we go to the C add 9 to the D sus4 to the A7. Then back to the E minor 7, G, D, A7 sus4, repeated, E minor 7, G, D sus4, A7 sus4, and then into the bridge. So the bridge is going to start off on our C add 9 chord again. We have that down, 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 up, then to the D sus4, down, 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 down. Okay, so C add 9, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Second half of the bar on that D sus4. Then we're going to go to an E minor 7 chord, same chord as we played in the verse before. Down, 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 down. One more time. Down, 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 down. And so we have the C add 9, D, E minor. That's played on repeat. Then we're going to go through a little transition part where we go G, D sus4 with an F sharp in the bass to the E minor 7, back to a G. And for each chord we're just going to strum down, down, up. Then we'll go to the D sus4 chord, but we'll put that F sharp in the bass there on the second fret. You can do that with the first finger like that if you prefer, and put the second finger down on the G string. I tend to play it just with the thumb, like that. So we have the G, down, down, up, then to the second fret bass and the D sus4 chord, down, down, up, then to the E minor 7 chord, down, down, up, and back to the G. Down, down, up, so. And then we go to the A sus4 chord again, but this time I like to play the full kind of A sus4 voicing. So we have first finger, second fret of the D, second finger on the second fret of the G, and then the top two fingers just where they are for the rest of the song. And for the rhythm, we're going to strum down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. And then we have a second bar, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so the A sus4 slowly is down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. And the whole bridge section played slowly is the C, D sus4, E minor, played on repeat, so the C again, D sus4, E minor, then we go through the C and to the D again, but with the little transition chord, so the C, D, then the transition chords, G, bridge sounds like this. The chorus is much simpler than the bridge. It has the chords C at 9 going to an E minor 7, G, back to an E minor 7. And we play that 3 times with a slightly different ending the third time. So on the rhythm we have C at 9, down, 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 up. Then to the E minor 7, down, 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 up. And pretty much the same strumming pattern in the second bar for the G chord, down, 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 up. And the E minor 7, down, 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 down. Okay, so C add 9, E minor 7, G, E minor 7. slowly. We have the C add 9, E minor 7, G, E minor 7. Play it twice. Third time starts off the same, C add 9, E minor 7. And then we do swap here on the G. We go G, down, down, up, up, down. We have a down strum on an E minor 7, so down, down, up, up. C add 9, E minor 7, G to E minor 7. We then just sit on the E minor 7 for 2 full bars, and there's a kind of a bar of rest really, until we come in again with an A7 sus4 to take us back into the second verse. And the rhythm for that is just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then we go through the second verse. To end the song, we do the kind of ending part of the chorus where we play the C add 9, E minor 7, G, going to the E minor 7 with that slightly different rhythm. So C add 9, E minor 7, G, E minor 7. There's a nice lead riff in the song too that sounds like this. So we're going to play 3 on the high E, 3 on the B. We then have a hammer on from 2 to 3 and pull off to 2 on the high E. So 2 hammer on 3, pull off to 2. We'll then grab 3 on the B, 2 on the G. So. And for the second part of the riff, we have an open A string, hammering on to second, and grabs open D. Then go back to second fret on the A, and grab the open G. We'll then play open D, hammering on to second fret, grab the open G, and back to the open D. That second bar sounds like this. And the whole thing together. For more guitar tutorials, please check out this link here. Thanks for watching and take care.